Hi there, welcome back to Now How. In today's video, we will be learning fantastic world of date and time function in Excel. We will explore powerful functions like now, today, time, year, month, day and date. After this, we will learn how we can add days, month and year to a particular day. So stay tuned and don't skip this video and watch it till end.
Don't forget to subscribe now how and press the bell icon for more videos.
The first function is the now function. Now function returns the live date and time in the cell. To add date and time in this cell, I will write equal now bracket start and close and press enter. You can see that we got the date and time. After this, the today function. For today function, I will write equal today bracket start, close and then press enter. Now you can see that in this cell the only date has been added. So if you need only date, you can use the today function, and if you need date and time both, then you can use the now function. Now for the time function, I will write equal time bracket start. Now I have to give the hours. For example, I am giving hours as 12, then minutes as 30 and 0 seconds. All these things are separated with the help of commas, and then close this bracket and press enter. Now you got the time in the format of 12:30 p.m. Year, month and day function basically used to extract the year, month and day from a particular date. So for example, if I want to extract year from this date, I will write equal year bracket start and select the number in which the date is written, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you get the year. Similarly, if you want to extract the month, and mostly month and day are the things which are mostly confusing. For example, in this date we may get confused that either 4 is a month or 5 is a month. In this case, I will write equal month bracket start, select the cell of the date and then close this bracket and press enter. So it is giving me the 4. So it's the month of April. Similarly, to extract the day or the date, I will write equal day bracket start, select the date, close the bracket and press enter. And if I want to formulate date using these three cells, then I will use the date function is equal to date and then give the year, comma, month, again comma, and then the day and close this bracket. So you get the same date from which you have extracted the year, month and day. After understanding the basic functions of date and time, now it's time to learn how you can add or subtract days, month and year. For example, here I write the function equal and today bracket start bracket close to get the date for today. Now I want to add 4 days in the current date. For this purpose, I will write equal and then simply like mathematical rule, I will select the cell of the date and then plus 4 days and then press enter. Now you can see that it has added the 4 in 23, and now the next date is 27th of the June. If I want to subtract, I will use the same rule equal, select the date and then minus and the number of days that you want to subtract and then press enter. So you subtracted the days from the current date. Similarly, if you want to add or subtract month, again first we have to get the date. I'm writing this function to get the current date. If you want to write a customized date, you can also write it over here. Then to add month, you have to write equal e date bracket start the date, and then you have to give the months that you wanted to add. For example, I want to add 4 months, so I will write 4, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that in 6 it has added 4 months, and now the next date is 23rd 10 2023. Now if you want to subtract a given month number from the date, then you can write the same function, that is equal to e date bracket start the starting date and then comma, and this time you can see that I have used the -4 and then close this bracket and press enter. So the months have been subtracted from the given date. And now the last thing, how you can add year to the particular date. For getting the date, I am writing the function today, start close and press enter. Now to get the date after 5 years, I will use the same function that I have used for the month, that is equal to e date bracket start the start date comma. Now I will convert the 5 year into months. So there will be 60 month, close this bracket and press enter. And now you can see that the next date after 5 years is added to this particular date. Similarly, to subtract the year from the given date, I will use the function equal e date bracket start the given date comma, and then because I am going to subtract, so I am using this -60, that is for the 5 years back. So -60, close this bracket and press enter. It is giving me 2018, which is 5 year back than 2023. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a deeper understanding of Excel's date and time function. Make sure to practice and explore these functions further to enhance your proficiency with Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for further videos topic, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.